Hey guys, it's Vince from CG Vinyl Studio, and today I am already finished with a print, but I wanted to do this video because we are getting lots and lots of questions on our HD Chrome, and it makes sense. There's no other material I've ever seen for inkjet that actually represents using a real printable, applicable metal substrate. When I say applicable, you can it's actually self-adhesive, so again, it looks like a vinyl, it's a little thicker than a vinyl. And again, the finish, as far as reflection, is truly insane. So these are my aviation tags, but that's regardless of what graphics we're working with. This material will curl very easily because it is much thicker and it is a metal substrate overlay over the top. That's how we actually get all of that shine that we get, and of course it being fully transparent like a mirror. That being said, I don't know if she can pick that up. You can see we've got a fingerprint here. And if you handle this roughly in any manner, and that means using any type of abrasives, as far as a cloth that may be leaving scratches, it is very possible that you will see that on the material, okay? And you may not see it until you're hitting a certain light, and then you can see it. Now, of course, once it's laminated, that will be minimized to a great degree. But be aware, this takes a little bit different handling characteristics than typical vinyl. You'll also notice I'm standing back from this material because you don't want to naturally speak over it, as anything coming out of your mouth is going to land on it, and it will definitely make a difference on your finish. So overall, handling this material is basically the same as anything else. Again, you'll put your straight edge one side. It's irrelevant and arbitrary which side. It'll be the left or right. You do not want to do the top first. And apply the straight edge, apply your tape, apply your straight edge, apply the tape, and then the top. And the reason we do that is we can pull tight on that side, and you can see, except for this bottom area, it's got a teeny bit of bow, but as soon as this goes under the laminator, it'll flatten everything out and come out like glass. We'll show you the finished product once we're done. Okay guys, we are now laminated, and of course you can see the water on the bottom. Got our overlay, probably about 1/2 an inch on the bottom. You see it right here. And what you're left with, and again, that's a mirror. You can see how these came out, they're like glass. We do have some traction marks from the laminator on the side, so you can see exactly how that's done. Of course, our orders are based on 20 of these units. There's 24 here, so if we ever get a blem, we make sure that the client's happy, we have enough, and if we have extra, we naturally give them to them. You can see over here, like I said, those traction marks, and of course, these are going to be bleed cut. They'll be on a 0% bleed, so you'll get basically just the image itself, and the finished product should look really awesome when it's done, and we will see that as we're done cutting and laminating. We're going to go hit the Suma right now. Okay guys, we're in front of the Suma. We're working with the Alienware M16 right now. She's got everything up on Vinyl Master. Now I want to clarify something. Do not, when you go to use your cutter, have any exterior lighting going when you're doing registration mark scanning. This material is that reflective, so much so that if we look at the head, you can see a direct mirror image. I mean, it is that reflective. As a matter of fact, you can see the light imaging reflecting from the camera on the phone over to the head of the unit. So we've already got the registration marks all set. It's going to go through the scan process. I'll pan away so that naturally this light won't become a deterrent of that. Okay, she's going through and scanning right now. You can see what we've got. Vinyl Master. Again, I'll overshoot so we won't get that light on there. There we go. You can see it's doing its registration mark scanning. Once again, this is a dual pass that we're doing to make sure that these units are cut perfectly in the sense that they're able to be released very easily. Of course, the camera is picking up exactly what we're doing here. And you can see that reflection. It looks literally like the blade is mirrored on the other side. Absolutely. We finish with this in no time. And without a doubt, this is our highest ROI material. If you're serious about making your clients happy and offering something that vendors do not have, this material is truly amazing. And once again, I highly recommend you guys double check on any vendor who's claiming to use a high quality laminate. Make sure it's got the UV protection you're looking for. Make sure it's a name brand. If they can't disclose the brand or refuse to, that should tell you something. We get that all the time. You know, we use only 3M8518, and that's something that we're proud of. It's not cheap, but it definitely does the job, and you can see that reflection right there. This is just nuts. It literally looks like you're holding just a sheet of chrome. And I'm going to pause this and we'll go over and show you what they look like weeded. Okay guys, we've got them trimmed, and now Joanna is going to do the honor of weeding them, and you guys can see exactly how easy this is. Once again, with 2 passes, we're left with perfection. Here we go. You can see exactly what I mean by a reflection. These are amazing. Quality inkjet printer and a high quality cutter, and you can see this is on a 0% bleed, meaning there is no edge bleed inside of the actual graphic. So this is just on the cut line. You can see what we're left with. Here's the trim, and these are fantastic for our clients. So again guys, we look forward to helping you guys get the same results. Naturally, if you have any questions, message us. If you need a custom package, message us. You have questions about equipment you need to do this, message us. We'll do our best to guide you and again get that side hustle going, and hopefully get you earning that money that you deserve. Again, doing this is very easy, and it's just a matter of learning technique. You can see the other sheet. We're all set. Thank you guys for your support. Take care.